Get me out of here. Right, so I've just landed in Antalya, Turkey, and I've got 16 hours to get a kebab and get back to the UK. Vsauce, that one behind you, love. No, this one here, right there, merhaba mate. Right, I'm gonna get me booze from me mate. I'm gonna see a Newcastle Food Festival. Yes. And now we're gonna go with a Vsauce over to the hotel, 16 hours in Turkey. So mate, thank you very much. So that is the transfer from a Vsauce VIP. Sour lads, thank you. Just met up with Jimmy from Jimmy's Watches in Ishmael, and now we're at this hotel. Mert Suites here in Antalya. So we're going to go in now, check the room out, show you all the room, and this is less than 24 hours in Antalya just to get a kebab. Right, so this is Mert Suites in Antalya. Look at this place, absolutely beautiful. Quick look at the bathroom, double shower, sink, toilet, tile bathroom. I'm going to be as quick as I can as I show you this. No, forget these are British Eating League shirts coming to you, order online, britisheatingleague.uk. This is a big, spacious front room, TV and kitchenette. It's got a cooker hobs, it's got an oven there, sink, everything you need, and also a washing machine, which my mum will love. You got a fridge there. Now don't forget, this place is £20 a night. That is dirt cheap. It is February. Let's take a look at room 1. Nice double bed, looking modern, perfect. Am I sleeping in this one, Jimmy, or you?
Yep.
Together?
Me.
Just you. Just me. Next one, bedroom number 2. I've already started getting my stuff out. Don't forget, this year I've got 2 books coming out. One is Don't Overcomplicate It, get it online. The next one is Competitive Eating, the Ultimate Guide. These will both be available in Turkey this year as well, and online, and Amazon Kindle. Bosh. This is another double room. You've got a balcony outside, but all of this is £20 a night. It's not in the magazine sunnymarmaris.uk, but who knows, maybe I'll have an Antalya one. Now let's go and eat some kebabs in Antalya. Come on. So one of the kebabs tonight I'm going to have here in Antalya, in my 24 hours in Antalya, is Hayat Kebab. So Titanic restaurant is just there, Titanic Hotel in Antalya. We're going to find Hayat restaurant right there. Right, so we're just looking through the menu here at the restaurant. I said to Jimmy, where's the Urfa Kebab? Where is the Urfa Kebab? It's the same price as Dana. It's like 380 Turkish lira. Which is about what, £6.5?
Yeah, £6.5.
Cheap, yeah?
Yeah, it is cheap.
Cheap for the Urfa kebab?
Yeah.
Like proper, quality, authentic kebab. That is why I came to Antalya. So first the balloon bread comes out, and there's no extra charge for that. It's right there. Look at that. And then the Urfa kebab comes out. Beautiful. Look at that. Right, so this is why I came to Antalya. This is Hayat restaurant opposite Titanic Hotel, just behind me over there. There's a river in between, a little lake. But if you are looking for one of the best kebabs in the area, you have these authentic Turkish kebabs right across the road or right across the river. Now in front of me, this is the Urfa kebab. It is beautiful, it is non-spicy. Look at that, dripping with juice, good quality meat. Now you do get a balloon bread free. You can also use the bread that comes with it, which the meat has soaked itself into. Then you take some Urfa kebab. You can get the Adana version, which is spicy. You take some onion, packed with flavour, fresh onion. You get some parsley. Look at that. That is how you eat a proper, authentic Turkish kebab. You smash it into the mint yogurt. And don't forget, this entire dish was about £6.50 in English money. And that is why I came to Antalya. Right, so I'm in Antalya and Jimmy and his family, his friends have just brought us to this restaurant. Now these are telling me this is the best Turkish food in Antalya. What's this restaurant called?
Cigerci Bahattin.
So these are all the starters, all that come out complimentary at the Turkish restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant, Jimmy?
Ciğerci Bahattin.
Ciğerci. Oh, so look at that Urfa kebab. Beautiful.
And this is Adana.
You've got Adana?
Yeah.
Class, Jimmy. And you've got Jiga. Jiga, which is liver. Jiga is liver. Jiga liver. Let's dig in. So this looks absolutely perfect. Beautiful starters, so many starters. Onion, aubergine, wraps over there, parsley. Look at that bit. So roughly for this Jiga, what's the price?
10 pieces, 10 stick.
10 pieces?
10 pounds.
So this is a traditional Turkish restaurant in Antalya. Come and check it out. Beautiful, çok güzel. Right, so that's a wrap mixed with a little bit of everything there. You've got an Urfa kebab, you've got the onions, grilled onions, parsley, not garlic, it's
Yogurt.
Mint yogurt.
Yeah,
Mint yogurt on the side, mixed together. And that's how you make a proper Turkish kebab. Oh my God. That's why I came to Turkey. Right, so that's it. 24 hours in Antalya. 2 kebabs yesterday, Turkish breakfast this morning. And I've just had a haircut and shave as well. So in 24 hours in Turkey, we've had 2 kebabs, 1 haircut, stayed the night and had breakfast, all in 24 hours. Now, it is a bit different because they're all shopping malls here. They're all 5-star hotels. I think they said one of these like a 4-star Sherwood's over there. But look at the sunshine today. It is hot in Antalya. It was raining last night, but today is very, very hot. You know, this is, for us Brits, it's sunbathing weather. For Jimmy, he's freezing cold. He's walking around with a top on extra, look. Look at that. Nice and cold, Jimmy, yeah. So we're just waiting now. Waiting for the Vsauce to come and pick us up. This is the main road. What's that hotel with a star? Ascalara.
Royal Cygnus.
This one?
Royal Cygnus.
Royal Cygnus?
Yes.
Royal Cygnus. Royal Cygnus. So if you look, all shopping malls. This is the main road with all the 5-star hotels on. Sherwood over there. Delphin Imperial's just there. Someone was asking that earlier.
Concord.
So Delphin Imperial, and then next is Concord.
And the Lima Clara.
Lima Clara. So these are all the hotels at nearby, and these are all 5-star hotels. So again, different to the other areas. Different to the other areas in terms of they're all 5-star. Most people stay in the hotels here. Then, you know, they're just sunbathe, relax, and most of the hotels have everything that you need. Once you come outside the hotel though, there is still plenty of shops, but they're all malls or bazaars. You got Migros just there, the shopping centre, supermarket underneath the shopping centre, but it is literally shopping centre after shopping centre. So again, a little bit different. I'm gonna sneeze. God, it is warm today, like definitely sunbathing weather. So what do you think? This is Antalya. This is my 24 hours in Antalya. Now I'm waiting for the Vsauce, get myself to the airport. I've had plenty cups of chai, I've bought from the clothes shops, I bought a bag for our Sophie, I bought some trainers for myself. And yeah, class, 24 hours, done. Tick, tick, tick. Get me to Dalaman Airport and the airport lounge. Right, so that's the 24 hours in Turkey, finished, coming to an end, all the way there for 2 kebabs, a Turkish shave, and would I do it again? Definitely. Now I stayed over last night here in the travel lodge in Luton. I didn't really get to see any of Luton because I was absolutely shattered. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Now I'm going to head on over to Wimbledon and Balham for tonight's British Eating League event.